Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing an easy penang shrimp curry recipe. This is one of my absolute favorite Thai recipes, something I always get when I go to a Thai restaurant, and this is how I make it at home. The ingredients will be listed down in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share. Without further ado, let's cook. So in my pan I have some oil. I'm toasting the red curry paste in the oil for about a minute or two, and then I went ahead and added my coconut milk. The only coconut milk that I've found so far that doesn't really work for this recipe is the Koya brand. You really need a full fat, full bodied coconut milk for this. So I would say use either the Thai Kitchen coconut milk or the Thrive Market coconut milk that I used. I'm a personal fan of bamboo shoots, so I do add those in, as well as some red and green peppers, and then I allow that to simmer and let the flavors infuse a little bit. I went ahead and added the pineapple shortly before I added the shrimp, and it's roughly about a minute or two before the end of cooking so that I don't overcook the pineapples or the shrimp. And once it comes up to a boil, it's essentially done. And this is the final product. This is so delicious. I enjoy this meal so much, and I hope you guys do too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.